hard it is to break a sweater after I spent my entire life building. You get one shot at the show, and if you don't make it, it's back to cleaning the barometers.
But that could only mean... The machine works? It really works!
Your machine? Is that what that rocket was?
You like it?
I love it! This is just amazing! Look at this! This is the greatest weather phenomenon in history!
Hey, aren't you a weather girl?
Daddy, get your camera!
This just in, our humiliated weather intern is apparently back for more.
Thanks, Patrick. Okay, everybody, you are not going to believe this one, but I am standing in the middle of a burger rain. You may have seen a meteor shower, but you've never seen a shower meteor than this.
For a town stuck eating sardines, this is totally manna from heaven.
This tastes significantly better than sardines!
This is going to be big.
This food weather was created intentionally by geekish backyard tinkerer Flint Lockwood.
Flint Lockwood?
Hi.